The Food Safety Modernization Act has challenged carriers with meeting new standards of cleanliness in food distribution. That means reducing exposure to harmful bacteria on the journey to the distribution center, the retailer, or the restaurant. But how do you fight an enemy you can't see, one that doubles in number every 20 minutes on unprotected surfaces? The answer? Great Dane's Everest reefers, now with Microban technology. Our reefers are the only ones on the market with built-in antimicrobial protection in the liner. This powerful technology actively fights bacteria growth on the liner for the entire life of the trailer, promoting a cleaner environment for food deliveries. Here's how it works. When bacteria comes into contact with the liner, Microban protection activates, penetrating the cell wall and disrupting metabolic processes by preventing the bacteria from converting nutrients into energy. This inhibits the bacteria's ability to survive, reproduce, and colonize, and stops them from producing the odors and stains that can degrade your trailer and deter shippers. And though Microban is tough on bacteria, it's registered with the EPA specifically for food contact. This breakthrough science now comes standard in all new Everest reefers and is available in our refrigerated truck bodies as well, giving fleet owners and operators a competitive advantage in the quest for cleanliness.